So to create a deal, you'll go on the left side here and then go to deals. You'll make sure you're in the correct pipeline. So let's say we want to put one in the sales pipeline. We'll create a deal and also myself. So deal name is maybe it's a test deal for company ABC. Sales pipeline, deal stage. These will be defined by your company, but basically you have different stages here. So you'll make sure you put them in the right stage. So let's say appointment scheduled, deal amount, that's the amount of revenue. So let's say it's a $50,000 deal. For example, close date. So this is the date that you're anticipating the deal closes. So let's say it's the end of February. Deal owner is yourself. Deal type is either on this one new or existing. So we'll go new. Let's say it's high priority. And then contact, you're going to find the contact to associate with. So this would be company. And then you're going to want to pull the timeline activity from this to the deal. So you have all the records in there, all time. Company, same thing, company ABC, pull timeline, all time. And then this is where if you have line items set up, you can add them in, and this will help you evaluate the deal too. So you can hit create, and then it will open up the deal view here, and then all the activities will now pull in from the contact and the company record. So you could see the test email, the test note, the other test note, the task, and then you could also break it down the same way. So on the left, you'll see the stage, the value, the close date, and then some details about the deal. And then on the right side, you'll see the contacts associated with it. You can go and edit the association labels. If you have them set, you want to make sure you always have the right association labels. You could have multiple contacts associated to a deal, so you'll want to make sure those are set correctly. Same with companies. You can have multiple companies, so you'll want to do the same thing, set as primary. It means they're the primary company associated to the deal. Tickets or payment links or other deals or subscriptions, things like that. There's a lot of things you could do. You can add line items down here. So if you have line items, you could create custom ones or select from the library. We don't have one set up currently, so I'll show you that later. But you could create a custom one. So test line item. Let's just say it's $1 one time. We don't want to save that. And then you'll see it here as a line item. You could select the different terms. So one time weekly, monthly, quarterly. So let's just say it's a monthly and it's a 12-month term. So it'll be once a month for 12 months, different tax rates, payment status, things like that. So you'll see then the total. So $1 a unit, there's 1 unit, and then it's 12 months and it's billed monthly. So it's a $12 total contract value, and it's basically payments due up front. Hit save, update deal amount, and now if we go back to the deal, we'll see that the amount is $12, not whatever we had put there before. So that's how you could evaluate deals using the line items. So then the line items show up here on the right, which is really helpful to have in the deal section. And then all the center is kind of like a reflection of the right side and shows the different things as well. Then if we go back to deals, you could then see it in the pipeline here under the first stage, and it'll give you the total amount of all deals in that stage, and then you could see all the different deals here.